What is up, YouTube? Imperfect Gaming back in the video. Today I'm just gonna open some 25k packs, looking for the Suarez, Man of the Match, Ronaldo, David Luiz, and Rondon. So let's get into the first pack. Greasy Griezmann, Weidenfeller. Okay, Eden Hazard. Let's get into it. Here we go. Coke. Okay, come on. These servers are terrible. And we get Tulalana. Oh my gosh, he was in form last week. Free gold pack. And this of Cavani. Here we go. Oh, says Fabregas. Nice pull there. Says free gold pack. Redeem that. Aguero. Let's go. What a pack. What a pack. Aguero and says Fabregas. What a pack. Oh my gosh. That's how we like it with some packs. Okay. EA. Boateng. Oh my gosh, my pack look is insane. Do we get anyone else? Farfan. I'm not quick selling Boateng. Used for like 20k. Let's go, everybody. Messi. Come on. Oh my gosh, we have got Distin. And upgraded Vargas. Watching the PSG game. And Ibra just got sent off. That just made my day. All you guys that love Ibra, I'm not trying to offend you. I'm good. Jesus Navas. Great pull there. I'm not trying to offend you, but just... he's not my favorite player. Come on, Messi. Adler. I don't want no Adler. Free gold pack. Diego Alves. Nobody there. Come on, EA. Cavani. I don't want no Cavani. What's Burnett? I don't want no Cavani. He goes for like nothing, but I'll just play him because I think he goes for like, I don't want to click so all. He was like 6k. But I don't want no Cavani. Come on. Someone above 87 rated. Come on, EA. Come on, Higuain. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm watching the Chelsea game. Coleman. I don't really want no Coleman. Trying to get through these packs and you have diabetes, of course. Let's see, anybody else? Skip. Busufu. Oh gosh, that was the worst call in Champions League history. He pointed the spot, and then, guess what he did? Nope. I don't want no Agger. What he did is he took away. He didn't give them a PK. Come on, give Chelsea a PK. Hopefully they can win this game. If they lose, I swear we have Lucas. Come on, EA. Please. I don't want what is that, Valbuena? I really don't like his haircut. Let's go, come on. Nobody. Musa, Cahill might go for something. Giroud, no. Come on, EA. Valencia, not a single inform. I think we have enough. We're just gonna open 3 more packs. Oh my gosh, we get Rakitic as the best player. EA packs, they must like cap the packs too. They packed the whole game, capped the whole game. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. EA's is really pissing me off. Nobody. Sick Buffon. Sick one, EA. Okay, now let's just open the free packs that we got. So, let's go to my pack. So hopefully we can pull something good. I don't want no non-rare. No. I don't want nothing like that. I want a player that's worth more than 6K. Why is it all these non-rare players? I don't want no silver contracts. It's like 300 coins. Come on, EA. 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 Jung. So anyways, I just want to say thanks for watching, and Imperfect Gaming signing out.